Civil authorities have issued a civil danger warning. This message is transmitted in the request of the Dutch Police Department. This is not a test. There have been reports about an individual who stalks people all around the globe. This is a woman who is 54 years of age, with brown long hair, and she is 4'9". Her weight is unknown. Her name is unknown. The Dutch Police Department has stated that she would add you on Facebook and starts to spam text you on Messenger. After that, she will appear at your door and start stalking you. You will not be able to get rid of her, and she will never leave you alone. Don't accept her friend request, as this puts your safety at risk. This individual is considered a dangerous person. Stay indoors and never accept any Facebook friend request until this individual is captured. This message has been transmitted at the request of the Dutch Police Department. This is not a test. The person who is stalking people all over the globe is going berserk. This woman is still unknown, but she is starting to kill people. Seek shelter now. If you don't seek shelter now, it will end in certain death. May God be with us all.
Settling down, my text go and you scream. You know better than that. I come around when you least expect me. I'm sitting at the bar when your glass is empty. You thinking that the song's coming on and tempt me. I need to be alone like the way you left me. You start calling.